Bro, very good. Boom. And we're live. We are live in the building, of course. What's up? What's up, my people? Let me just get my account ready and funded here with you guys so I can take some trades. Put my password in here. There we go, there we go, there we go. We are looking good for some buys here on gold, my people. We are looking quite good for some buys on gold. Let's see. Is gold going to give us a setup today or not, guys? We live, we live, we live. What's up, my people? What's up, my people? How you guys doing? How you guys doing? Hope everyone's doing well on this beautiful Friday morning, guys. We have a good possible setup over here on gold. It's looking pretty decent right now. I won't lie to you, it's looking quite decent. We of course have to first analyze the chart before we actually get into any trades. Even if yes, we see a trade right now, we have to first of course analyze the market, see what we are seeing. But you can see yesterday, my analysis came out perfectly, guys. Absolutely beautiful. My analysis on gold. The analysis on gold went perfectly yesterday. Look at that. I literally said, when it comes to this level of support over here, we could have a possible buy. And look at that. From there, we went straight to the moon. I think that gold's buying right now as well. I didn't get in as yet. I should have gotten in. Damn, bro. I should have gotten in here. I won't lie to you. I should have gotten in here. All good though. We'll wait for a re-entry. We'll wait for a re-entry. I had a possible buy over here. I was seeing a buy over there. I was just first getting this link sent out to everyone and get all the members in the chat. I'm not buying gold huge pair on the 4 hour. I'm gonna go into it now, bro. Let me just send out my links to my free group and that kind of stuff so all my traders can join up and get in on the action. Then once we are there live, we will then look for our possible entries. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's go. Beautiful. Let me post on my Instagram story real quick. 1 second, 1 second. My Instagram story right now. On the Instagram story, let's post this right now. Yes, my traders, we are live right now on YouTube. Click the link over here. Get in on the chat. You can see over there behind me. The stream is there. The charts are over there. We are looking to make some money on gold today. Join up, 100% free. Let's go, let's go. Beautiful stuff, guys. How's everyone doing? How's everyone feeling today on this beautiful Friday? It's almost the weekend, of course. It's almost the weekend. YouTube live stream. Boom. Let's put it over there and click tap to join. 100% free. Okay, perfecto, perfecto. Let's go. How's everyone feeling, guys? Let me know in the chat. Let's get this chat moving. How's everyone feeling on this beautiful Friday? Like I was saying, the charts are moving, we chilling. Let's get the weekend moolah. Exactly, bro. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Let's get this weekend cash, man. Let's get this weekend cash. Because we have to enjoy this weekend right now, guys. And let's go back to my chat. Over here, not there, over there. Boom. All right, welcome, 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 guys, to the 155 people in the chat that chat around. Are we feeling good? Amazing, amazing, bro. Sayra Juma Mubarak. Hope you guys are doing well, man. But yeah, let's get straight into this analysis here on gold. I mean, yesterday you guys saw, I gave you guys this analysis over here on gold. We came to the support, waiting for a rejection. You could have bought over there and you would have made some big, big blues if you follow my analysis. Literally, 100% free. What's up, Chris from Cape Town? You feeling good? Amazing, bro. Feels good to be back on the stream. Feels good to be back on the stream. But you, the sniper, at in and out, I am, bro. I won't lie, I am. But I'm not feeling the setup that much right now. I won't lie to you. I'm not feeling the setup right now that much. What's up, Loki? Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing well, Loki. Let's see over here, right? So the first thing, of course, on the 30-minute time frame, we're going to go over there and we're going to look for our levels of support and our level of resistance, right? You can see we have a level of support all the way down here, right? Beautiful level of support. Another level of support down here as well, right? We have a level of resistance all the way up top here that you can even extend this way, all the way across. There's a very strong level of support over here. Well, level of resistance slash support, right? Because it can be either. It can be either support or it could be resistance. Is NFP today? No. NFP is not today, bro. NFP is not today. So this is the analysis here on gold right now. You can see we have our levels of support down here because of this low. We have a level of support over here because of these touches over here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches, right? Lukman says I have a cent account with 80 cents, 12 rand. Let's hope I can flip this. Crazy, bro. Crazy, bro. But yeah, this is our level of support that we have over there that we are going to be using to trade off of. This is our level of resistance because you can see multiple touches on this level over there. So now that we have our levels in, of course, you know the standard procedure, we're going to go down to the lower time frames and we're going to see, can we get some entries in the markets, right? Because we do also have now a level of support that literally just got formed right now, right over here. This here is a minor level of support. Type it in here for you guys so you guys know what I'm trying to say. Minor level of support. Support. There we go, right? Minor level of support over there, right? And you can see that gold's actually respecting it quite nicely right now. It's actually flying up like crazy right now. We unfortunately did not get an entry because there was no entry to be taken. I have the same areas marked. I'm improving. Amazing, Brandon. Amazing work, man. Lovely stuff. I love to see that you are improving from the live streams. You're getting the knowledge that you actually need to grow and to get better at the skill of trading, bro. Beautiful stuff, man. Beautiful stuff. Let me just go over here. Yeah, so you can see gold is just pushing up right now like absolutely crazy. We have no entry as of yet. We have no entry as of yet. Let's see. We can also put a small level of resistance also up top over here, right? And what I've been looking for now is for a breakout retest. Do we have a breakout right now? What we need is now a retest, right? We need a retest of this level to then say that we can now buy gold. So this is what we need. We need to break out, retest over there, and continue even further to the upside. Something like this, because there's a minor level of resistance over there. Nizam Khan says, caught a trade at the low during Asia early this morning, closed at 100% profit. Could have held, but I don't want to be perfect, bro. Perfect. That's the way. As long as you are happy with your profits, you take it and you go on to the next, bro. That's how you do it. Hey, bro, please check again. My site says NFPs in 5 hours. No, it's not, bro. Let me check here for you guys on investing.com. One second. Let me go to investing.com over here on the other screen. And let's see. Are we going to actually have it or not? I don't think that we have. Yeah, you can see over here, right? Investing.com. It's not showing. You can see over here for today, high impact news. I will put medium impact news. And there's no NFP today, guys. No NFP. I mean, it's not showing here. It's showing that Trump is speaking. He already spoke earlier. So this is next week. So let's see over here. If we go to next week, what do we see on the high impact news? Next week, you can see over here, we are going to be having NFP on the 11th. So on Wednesday, we'll be having NFP. You can see over there. I'll try and move this around so you guys can see over here. But you can see over here, Wednesday, 11th February, we have the non-farm payrolls. We do have non-farm payrolls on Wednesday next week. Wednesday next week, we have NFP, guys. Not today. It's not today, guys. But yeah, let's see. I took your call on the pullback. Amazing, bro. Amazing. I'm in on gold at 4850, $700 up. Lovely work, bro. Lovely work, man. Love to see it. Love to see it, guys. Taking live trades today, guys. We're taking live trades today. I want to make some money, guys. I made no trade yesterday. Live trades today. Make sure you're in here. Perfect. So yeah, Looking at some live scalps today in the market. I do want to catch some trades. I am seeing a few setups, but it's not looking the best right now. Let's just go over here, go over there, do that. We have to close bullish here, close above here, and then retest. If you can do that, then a possible buy is in place. But for right now, yeah, just wait and let's see. Is the market going to give up what we want? Let's see, let's see, let's see. 1 second, 1 second. Let's go over there, go over there. Perfect. Exactly. I only trade gold. I only trade gold, nothing else. Real. You asked in the chat about the different broker. I'm using Space Markets, bro. We use Space Markets and we have same day withdrawals. Same day withdrawals, bro. Same day withdrawals. Same day withdrawals, bro. We don't play around with the withdrawals. I did a withdrawal today as well for the week. I said, now let me pay myself some cash here. We can out of same, man. Okay, perfect. So let's see here. Can we get some retests going? Please check U30. I will check U30 soon, bro. There we go, gold. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's see. Can gold give us a retest here? We need now just a retest. We see we have this here. We have to wait now for a retest for us to actually get our entries. If gold can give us a retest here, we can get our entries into the markets, guys. Let's see. Are we going to get a retest of this level? Hopefully we do, guys. Hopefully we get a beautiful retest of this level, guys. Let's see. Let's see. Can we get a retest, guys? You can see it's just pushing up right now like absolutely crazy. Like I said, what we need to do is we need to wait for a retest. I see you guys are asking for US30, so let's go over there to US30 and let's see what's actually happening over there. Can we get some entries in the charts? What can we do, guys? Gold is looking quite good for some buys. I'm just waiting for a small pullback on gold just to get our entries. And then, yeah. Bro, which account do you use in Space Markets? I use the standard ZAR account with 1:2000 leverage, bro. 1:2000 leverage. So, yeah. And look at this as well. Yesterday, I gave this analysis on stream. I said, breakout, retest, continuation. Look at this. Breakout, retest, continuation move. And I really said the sell going to happen. I put this in yesterday, guys. This is the first time I'm actually opening up the gold chart. The US30 chart for the day. And look at this. Crazy, bro. Crazy. Well done, Defentrax. Well done, well done, well done. 100K up on gold. Lovely stuff, bro. Saluted patient. Exactly, bro. You have to. I just executed 5 minutes ago. I'm up $12. Lovely work, bro. Lovely work, man. I love to see it. I love to see. Well done, guys. People are making money, man. But there's a level of support there. We're now in between a level of support and a level of resistance. I also see a level of support over here that it could be retesting for a possible break. Check gold. I will go back to gold now in a second, but I'm just doing US30 real quick. US30 real quick, guys. On the US30, you already know. So you can see US30 right now, if you scale down to the lower time frames, it's actually rejected now. So you could have a continuation of a sell, possibly. A continuation of a sell, something like this here. So US30, I'm seeing this over here. But yeah, welcome everyone to the chat. 250 viewers right now. Make sure you're leaving a like on the stream. Make sure that you subscribe. We are moving, guys. We are moving. Gold, let's see. Is it going to give us the retest that we actually want? Zakaria Mohammed, can you talk about risk management? I can, bro. Risk management is probably the most important factor in being profitable. Yes, you can have a good strategy. You can have a winning strategy, this, that. But if you aren't using risk management, you're never going to actually see that money, guys. I promise you. You're never actually going to see that money. Literally. So, in terms of risk management, I always say that you have to always only risk what you're willing to lose. So if you're willing to lose, maybe say 5K for the day, then you're only going to risk 5K for the day. If you have a funded account where you can only lose 5%, you're only going to lose maybe say 1% per day. Only risk 1% to make 1%. Literally. But we do have possible buys here on gold. We are waiting for this 30-minute candle to close. If it can close so bullish, then we will be looking for our entries. It's looking quite good, guys. Looking quite good. We did get a bit of a retest on the 1 minute time frame, which is quite decent as well. We just need to close bullish above these highs over here. If we can close above this high over here, then we could have a very good buy all the way to the upside. We have 1 minute left, guys. 1 minute left for this 30-minute candle to close. Let's see, will we close bullish or will we close bearish, guys? It's looking like quite a good setup, I won't lie to you. Looking quite juicy. London will sweep Asia high, possibly, bro. Possibly, that's what we want. If we can sweep the Asian high, it would be very good, guys. So can I ask you guys for a small favor, guys? Please, can we get to 100 likes, guys? We're at 230 viewers. We just need to get to 100 likes. That's the goal for the stream. Make sure you leave a like. The stream is 100% free to join, to leave a like in the stream, of course. Yeah. Just please leave a like on the stream. Don't forget, guys, leave a like on the stream. Okay, so you can see that now we're actually rejecting quite hard off of this high. So there's no trade. There's no trade right now because we needed to close more bullish, guys. We needed to close a lot more bullish for us to be able to get buys. And you can see we did not close that bullish, so we can't get buys. Like I said, we have to close above this high on the 1 minute time frame for us to continue with the buys. So now what we'll wait for is we'll wait for this setup to play out. Wait for it to come back down to the retest of this now support, and then continue even further to the upside. So yeah, let's wait, guys. It could just leave us, literally, it could just leave us and not even give us our entry. If it does do that, it's gonna be a bit of a, it'll be a bit sad, I won't lie to you, but that's how trading is, guys. That's just how trading is. Is it because of the FEG above is going order from there? I'm not too sure, bro. I don't use FEGs when I trade. I just use support and resistance, so I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure. Humphrey asked, should we buy gold? No, not as yet. Not as yet, guys. We are not buying gold as yet. I have not bought gold and I'm not buying as yet. I'm waiting for my setup first to form, guys. I'm not going to be impatient. I'm not going to rush my trade. There's just no point in that, guys. There's no point in me rushing in my trade and making loss for no reason, guys. Literally. There's no need for that, guys. So just be careful. Let's wait for the markets to give us a setup that we can use and then take a trade after that, guys. Let's be patient, guys. Don't force a trade that you want to lose. Don't force trades ever in your life, guys. Never. FEG is very important. Bro, for me, I've never used FEGs. To be honest, I've never used FEGs, and I don't think I ever will. I mean, for me, it's just a thing of, like, I've never learned about FEGs, bro. I've never learned about fair value gaps and all that kind of stuff. So I'll be using supporters for my whole life, and it's been working for me perfectly fine. So there's no need for me to now go and change up my strategy and do this and do that. So, literally, bro. Do you use the phase 2 or phase 1? I use phase 2, guys. I use phase 2. I use a two-phase account. Two-phase account on Comit Capital. So phase 1 and phase 2, guys. Do you do one-on-one mentorship? I do indeed do one-on-one mentorship. If you want to contact me, then just send me a message over here. I'll just put my Instagram. Where is it now? Where's it at? Where's it at? Where's it at? What the fleebs? What the fleebs? My Instagram's gone. Hello? Wait. Okay. I'll just type my Instagram here for you, Zakaria Mohammed, so you can just send me a message on there. How many of your streams on here have been profitable? I've only lost once on the streams, and I've been streaming for almost 3 months now. I've only lost once, literally. I've only lost once on the stream, and that was, I think, last week, Friday, I lost. So, yeah, should we buy gold? No, you should not buy gold. That's a rejection over there, guys. We cannot buy gold. There's no clean setup as yet for us to take. There's no clean setup for us to take as yet, guys. No clean setup for us as yet, guys. Let's wait for it to form first, and then we can do it. So just wait, guys. Just wait. Let's wait for a good setup to form. Don't be impatient, guys. Don't be impatient. Let's just wait, guys. Let's just wait. See what Mom says here. Okay, so that's not good. My father just met up in an accident, which is not good, with my other car. So that's not good. Maybe a sell? No, I don't think we'll have a sell, but I think we might have a buy over here. If I'm being honest, I think we might have a good buy over here. If this candle can close like this, then we have a buy. Let's see. Can gold close like this? Let's see. Come on, gold. Give us the setup that we want. See, we broke above that high now. So I might be entering buys. Let's wait, guys. Let's wait and let's see. Yeah, it happens, bro. It happens. My father met up in an accident. It happens, bro. It's life. You know what I'm saying? I just got a message now from my mother saying that one of my cars got into an accident. But it happens. That's why we have multiple cars. That's why we have multiple cars, bro. Let's see. Gold. Are you gonna give us what we want now? Are you gonna give us what we want? H bro, is everything okay with the dad? Yeah, bro. Everything's all good, bro. Not a stress, not a stress. If you gotta leave, I understand. Nah, bro, no stress, bro. We all good, man. We all good. But guys, I think I'm gonna enter my buys over here right now. I'm gonna actually enter buys over here with a stop loss just below that level over there. So I've entered buys right now. I have entered buys right now. 1 second. It happened on Church Street. So guys, I've entered buys right now on gold. I've entered buys on gold right now, my people. I have entered buys. I'm buying gold now. I've entered buys over here. My stop loss is here at 4864, guys. 4864. So my entry is up here at 4880. 4880, I think it is. Yeah, 4880. SL is at 4864, I think it was. Yeah, 4864. Okay, cool. That's my entry right there, guys. Let's see, is this trade gonna work out or not? It's a bit of a high risk setup, so please do be careful if you are taking it. It's a high risk setup. I can see that we've broken above that area over there. And yeah, I did send it to the VIP group. I did send it out to the VIP group, bro. I did. I did indeed send it out to the VIP signal group. Let's go. Come on, gold. Pay us right now. Pay us right now, gold. Let's go, man. Put my stop losses in on my trades. Put my SL in on my trades. 64. Inshallah, this trade will work out. Inshallah. Let's see. Come on. Okay. What's going on, gold? Why is it spiking down like that? What the heck? That's a massive spike down for no reason. What's going on? Hello? Gold? Why are you spiking down like that? That's a massive spike down for no reason at all. What the heck, gold? Still holding though. I have my SL in place, so that's fine. I have my stop loss in place at 64. Let's see, can we reject from here, guys? Can we actually reject from here? Come on, gold. Pay us, man. Pay us right now, gold. Remember, only risk what you are willing to lose, guys. If we lose this trade, it's perfectly fine with me. If we do lose this trade, it's perfectly fine with me. I have my SL in place. I have my risk set out. If we lose, we lose, guys. If we lose, we lose. It looks like we might actually lose on this trade. Gold is being absolutely insane right now. What's going on? What the heck? That is crazy. That is absolutely crazy. Damn. That's crazy. Damn, that's crazy. That's insane. Look at this. What? What's going on, gold? Gold. Nah. Okay, we took a loss right there, guys. We took a loss right there, unfortunately. I don't think so. We took a loss right there. That's actually crazy right there. Gold is just absolutely flying down for some odd reason. We had good candle closures. We had everything we needed. And gold just dropped at. What's going on? What's going on, gold? Perfectly fine though. I took my loss. I lost about 10,000 rand there. I lost about 10k right there, guys. There's a sniper entry into poverty. Wait. There's a sniper entry into poverty. What's going on? What's going on, gold? Why did it do that? It was a good 5-minute candle closure. It's going to continue up from here, possibly, but I mean, it came back to the retest here. I'm not sure why it dropped down so hard, though. Not sure why it dropped down so hard. That's kind of mad. I won't lie to you. Let's see. Maybe if we can reject from this level of support, then we can have maybe a buy over there. Not too sure. Not a good week. It's retested a trend line. Let me check, bro. Let me check. What trend line do you mean, bro? I don't really trade a trend line, so I'm not too sure. But for me, this was a good setup. I mean, it respected the level of support. It broke above this level of resistance. It now came back to retest. I don't know, man. It's a good setup. Loss taken. We'll take it. We'll take it, man. We will take it. Let's see. Yeah, I like it, man. I need to understand trend lines more possibly, bro. Are you away from your account? Might be flag because Comit. I didn't take it on my Comit Capital account, bro. I didn't. I took it on my personal account. I took it on my personal account, bro, not on my Comit Capital account. Not on the Comit Capital account, guys. Too many losses this week. I agree, bro. Too many losses this week. For me personally, I lost 2 days of the week. I lost on Wednesday and on Friday. So, yeah, it's not the best, but it happens. It happens where you don't have crazy good weeks all the time, where you take losses. And I'll never hide it. We took a loss right now. We took a loss. No KFC tonight, 100%, bro. No KFC tonight, man. No KFC tonight. Steven says it's tough to buy a premium of the trading range. Bro, for me, I don't know about premiums and that kind of stuff or discounts, whatever it is. For me, this was my setup on gold for my support and my resistance. It broke above my resistance and it went all the way up, bro. And it went all the way up. And then, yeah, came back down to retest it. So it could still go up from here. Let's see if we got a setup or not. If we don't, we don't. If we do, we do. But yeah, the 4 wasn't going to stop, lol. Crazy, bro. Bro, please stop spamming NFP. Please stop spamming NFP, bro. There's no NFP today. We are bearish. Yeah, I do see that, bro. Pulling down for some liquidity. Possibly, bro. Possibly. Be pulling up some liquidity, bro. You never know. You never know. Let's see. If we can obviously like pull up from here and give us a good 5-minute candle, then it could be a buy. But for now, let's see, bro. Yeah, please stop spamming, bro. Please stop spamming. There's no need for you to go and spam NFP in the chat. It makes no sense for you to spam NFP in the chat. It retested our entered buys. It's still high risk, bro. It's a high risk to enter buys. You have to wait for this 5-minute candle to close bullish. You have to wait for this candle to close bullish. So if you can wait for it to close bullish, then possibly you have a buy. Remove him? Nah, it's fine, bro. It may go to retest 4654. 4654. Where's that? 4654. Possibly, bro. This is like an area that it could be retesting, bro. Could be retesting that overall area over there. It could be, yeah. 100% done like a very high risk trade. Very high risk trade indeed. It was a high risk trade. It was a decent setup. I won't lie to you. It was a decent setup. Literally just in 1 minute it dropped for no reason. I'm not too sure why it dropped so hard. But it happens though. We took our loss. We took our loss. Took our loss on gold right there. I'm sorry I didn't realize it got suspended. Apologies. No stress, bro. No stress at all, my brody. I do know you from the chat, so it's not really a stress, my bro. No problem at all, brody. No stress at all. I got you, guys. But like I was saying, we're not gonna hide the fact that we lost on stream. I even lost in the VIP signal group. It's not the best of weeks in the VIP signal group. We took about 5 losses for the week or so. Not the best. It does happen though. And you can see now we actually looking like this is a decent retest. too many losses this week, I'll try again next week. Exactly, bro. That's what you have to do as a trader, bro. You have to acknowledge the fact that you're taking losses upon losses on the charts, and you're just gonna come back next week and come back stronger. That's all you have to do, bro. Literally, you have to just like realize and acknowledge, okay, and say the markets aren't moving how I want it to move. It's not respecting my setups. Let me leave it. Let me rather come back instead and come back properly. So yeah, we took a loss right there, guys. Not the best way to end of the week, but it is what it is, man. But it is what it is. Buy now? No. I'm not gonna buy now, guys. I won't lie to you. I'm not in the best frame of mind right now because, of course, I just heard my father had an accident, which is not the best, but no excuses, guys. No excuses. No excuses. I am gonna end the stream in like maybe say 20 minutes or so. 20 minutes so I can go and see my father and make sure that he's okay, of course. Because you have to, of course, make sure your father's okay and safe. 30 minutes is so bullish. It is, bro. That's what I'm saying. Are you gonna stream in the afternoon? Possibly, bro. Possibly. I might stream in the afternoon. We'll have to see, bro, if I can stream in the afternoon or not. Not 100% sure. Not 100% sure. But yeah, it's not good enough of a retest for me there to enter buys. I'm not happy with that. I'm not happy with that, guys. Are you gonna trade on NY or are you down for the day? I'm probably down for the day, bro. I mean, the markets are not respecting my setups the whole week. We had wins on Monday and on Tuesday and on Wednesday, I think. No, Monday and Tuesday we had wins. And then Wednesday and Friday today we had losses. So 2 days of wins, 2 days of losses, not the best. I'd rather sit out for the week and come back stronger again next week. 50-minute candle closure not looking good for buys. Exactly, but look at the 50-minute candle closure. It's not looking good for buys. I won't lie to you, it's not looking good for buys. I wouldn't look for buys right now. I would not look for buys. Lloyd, bro, this guy's saying full send, full average. Crazy, bro. You are mad, Brody. Crazy work from you, bro. Let me know if you are gonna do that. And let me know how it goes. If you make your profits or how it goes, bro. Let me know. Let's see, 1 second. How do you check here, like how long this thing been on for? I want to just check something real quick. Just want to check something real quick, guys. Okay, so you can see, guys, that's why we never enter buys. See, we never enter buys because of that right there. It was a break of the level of support. 32 minutes. Okay, perfect, bro. Thank you so much for that. I don't know why I can't see on my side how long I've been live for. I'm not sure why I can't, but I can't see how long I've been live for some odd reason, basically. But yeah, man. Let's see if you can maybe even get some sells on gold, because clearly the buys have not been working. So surely the sells should work, right? Let's see. Lloyd, I told you, bro. You can't just go full margin on the trade, especially when you have no confirmation, bro. Once you have confirmations, then maybe you can go full margin for it, sure. But you can't just go like full margin like crazy, bro, like that. So let's see if we can maybe get a retest and a bullish candle closure here. Then maybe we can have buys in the next 2 minutes, 30 seconds. But let's be patient, guys. Let's wait. Let's be patient and let's see what it actually give us what we want, guys. Let's wait. Let us wait. Let us wait, guys. Let's wait, guys. Come on, gold. Give us a setup, man. Give us a setup, bro. Lol, jokes. I said sell from the beginning of the 4 hour. I did see that, bro. I did see you saying that to myself, bro. I did see that. Gold is actually tracing from the massive surge last year, so sell is more safe. I do think so also, bro. Gold is basically just like calming down a bit because it's like it was so bullish for so many months and so many weeks over and over and over again that it has to basically retrace for it to go higher later on. So yeah. Mohammed Thaqib says, make Allah make it easy for you in that. Amin, bro. Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. What's up, Christian Trader? Hope you're doing well, bro. Hope you're doing well. Christian Trader, hope you are doing well, my brody. Hope you are doing well, bro. Let's see, guys. Can this thing close bearish and give us a sell? Because you can see right here what happened is it broke below over here. If we can retest and then sell off there, this could be a decent setup, guys. This could be a decent looking setup. Something like that, guys. Something like that, man. Something like that. Now let's see. Can we actually get it, guys? The main thing is waiting for a setup. I mean, for me, even though we took a loss on this trade, I went through my rules perfectly, right? I waited for the market to break above, waited for it to give us a bullish candle closure, and then I took my entry. So I followed all my rules. I'm happy with that. And that's crazy to say that I'm happy with taking a loss. Literally, I'm literally happy with taking a loss on a trade because I know that I follow my rules. That's the main thing, guys. Following your rules, making sure that you are always, happy with the outcome of your trade. You never go and say, oh, I lost. I'm so sad now, this, that. No, man. It's part of the game. Literally, it's part of trading. Nothing that you can do about it. If you lose, you lose. You just come back stronger again next week. You come back stronger again later. That's literally all it is, man. That's literally all it is. There's nothing else to say about it, bro. Literally. But you see, this is also now a decent setup. I want to is a decent looking setup. The only thing is that the candle is still bearish. So that's the only thing I don't like. The candle is still bearish on the 5-minute time frame. Even though yes, it's rejected nicely. I don't know, man. The thing is like this. I've seen a setup happen so many times this week where we go in with our trades and the market just drops for absolutely no reason. So obviously don't want that to happen, guys. Obviously don't want that to happen again. So let's rather wait and be patient for a better setup to come. Crazy to say you lost 10K, you made, bro. If I tell you how much I've lost this week alone, bro, I promise you it's in the hundreds of thousands, guys. It's literally in the hundreds of thousands that I've lost this week, guys. Why is this camera now stuck here, bro? The camera is stuck for some odd reason. I'm not sure why. But this camera is stuck now. Come on, man. But yeah, if I tell you how much I actually lost this week, bro, I won't lie to you. It is a bit painful, but we will make it back, bro. I mean, we made with trading, so we can make it back. Literally. That's my analogy of it, bro. I mean, if I could have made it, or I did make it with my trades previously, I can make it back again now. Literally, that's all it is. I don't understand why we're going against higher time bias on gold as we have paid over the price. Yeah, bro. I mean, for me, personally, this was a good setup. I mean, I saw buys, so I went with my buys. I'm not gonna, trade something that I don't see. I saw a decent looking buy setup. So that's why I took it. If you don't see it, bro, you just don't see it, bro. I saw that it was buys, so I ended with buys. If I was wrong, I was wrong, and I actually was wrong. So I took my loss. I took my loss on gold. Literally. Let me just call this guy over here, Mr. Daniel, to sort out this thing because I'm not sure why it's doing this. Let me message Daniel and tell him that the camera is stuck, man. Why is the camera stuck? Why is my camera stuck? Please come help. Camera is stuck. Why is the camera stuck, Brody? Not sure why.
So, bro,
The camera is stuck, bro. Like it stopped working basically. Not sure why.
is it working on your end?
Nah,
Stuck as well.
just stuck here. I don't know why. It's just stuck.
I never came up with this problem, bro.
Maybe just like unplug it and light it in again. Think so.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Which one is it?
This one, yeah, I think the black one, yeah. The black one. It's off. No. It's back on now.
Must be stream. I mean, it's going to be as
Is it?
yeah.
Damn.
Obvious the problem now. Can't end stream program.
Yeah, to fix it up. Damn, that's not good.
But they can hear you.
They can still hear me, yeah. They can hear me, I just can't see me now. I'm not sure why. Still not working, yeah. I don't know why it's still not working, Trippy. We're trying to get it sorted out real quick. We're trying to get
This
it
camera working. Okay, let's check this camera. This one.
This one, yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah, use this one.
Yeah.
And then take yourself down here.
There we go. Okay, so we have a new camera now. Crazy one.
So we will just probably won't adjust now. It's okay like that for now.
Yeah.
We'll fix it later.
Fine for now. At least they can see me. It's better
Yeah,
than nothing.
yeah.
Okay, there we go. Perfect.
Sure, bro.
Thanks, bro. Okay, we've got a new camera because we have two cameras here on the stream setup. If one goes out, we can just say, bring another one. Bring the other one time, bro. Literally. But Mr. Danielson helped me over there. I won't lie. Mr. Danielson helped me over there with it. Lovely stuff. Let's go back to the chat over here now. Boom. Nice to see you now. Thank you, Christian, bro. Thank you, bro. 100k loss, bro. I won't lie to you. It's not even 100k loss, bro. It's more than that. It's more than 100k loss. But like I said, guys, if I was able to make it with my trades in the other weeks, I'm able to also lose it. That's how you have to look at trading, guys. You have to, of course, always look at trading from both sides, that you can lose as much as you can win. Yes, you can make $1 million, but you can also lose $1 million, guys. That's just how trading is. And you have to acknowledge that before you even start thinking about being a trader or trading, guys, that you can lose all the time. If the markets don't want you to make profits, you'll just lose and lose and lose and lose. Like this week, yeah. The previous weeks, I literally had crazy winning streaks the whole time. Winning streak upon winning streak upon winning streak. Now, this week here is just loss after loss after loss. And it's hard to take, but you have to just swallow it, literally. When you're saying, yeah, we need to manipulate before the big move, possibly, bro, possibly. I do see a big move happen on gold today. I do see a big move happening on gold today. We just need to get this move now, man. Come on. Come on, gold. Give us a good move, man. Give us something that we can work with, bro. Come on. Give us some profits at least. This whole week we just mostly had losses. But yeah, how are you guys liking this new camera? This camera is now on the other monitor, so now you see the other side of the screen. The other side of the screen. The other side of, not of the office, basically. You see the other side of the office, essentially. So, yeah, guys, you basically see the other side of the office. Okay, let's see. Can gold actually give us a setup, guys? I'm not seeing it right now. I'm not lying to you. I'm not seeing any good setup right now. We see you, lovely, bro. Yes, it is in Santon, bro. It is indeed in Santon. We are in Santon, guys. The office of Space Markets and RCG is in Santon. Now the camera's too clean. We got you, bro. We got you, man. I like this camera. I actually like the angle, low key. Let's move this chair out the way. But there's a random chair here. It's for Shaquille and for Alex, but they aren't in the office today. So let me just move it out the way so it looks a bit more pretty. Just put it over there. Boom. Perfect. There we go. Nice one, nice one, nice one. Let's go, let's go. The new camera's better. Of course, bro. You know how we do it. Everything is bigger and better. Bigger and better. You already know, bro. You see, gold is now giving us some decent rejections from this area now. It's giving us some decent rejections right now from gold. Can it go more up? It's rejecting. It is, bro. It is rejecting quite nicely right now. I won't lie to you. It is rejecting quite nicely. We just need it to shoot, man. Come now, gold. Come now. Give us a setup or give us something at least. You think there's going to be volume today? The US government is still shut down? I don't think it's still shut down, bro. I think I saw a video on TikTok of Trump actually signing the bill to open up the government again, if I'm not mistaken, bro. If I stand to be corrected. I might be wrong. I might be wrong, but I think that's what I saw. I think that's what I saw, bro, on TikTok. Euro USD thoughts. Let me go to Euro USD. I'll go to Euro USD in just a few minutes time, bro. we're just waiting for gold to close this 5-minute candle to see if we can get a trade or not. Because now this is looking again like a bullish setup, like a breakout, retest, continuation setup. But we first need to get our confirmations, guys. We first need to get our confirmations. Let me take out this one here. First need to get our confirmations if we can actually get a trade here on gold or not. Literally, man. Can gold give us the setup that we want? I don't know. There's so much of fake news. There is, bro. That's the thing. Like, there's so much of fake news that's been going around, bro. Bearish momentum is no longer there. We might see a clean setup going forward, possibly, bro. I do see that the bearish momentum has slowed down now, and that's shown to us by these rejection weeks. If there was still bearish momentum, it would have just continued to shoot down. So I bought gold at 4855. Well done, Castro. Well done, Castro Gaming. Well done to you, my brody. Well done to you, brodies. Brodini. Come now, gold. Give us a setup that we can use, man. Give us something. Don't be like that, gold. We want to get some money for Friday, for the weekend, man. Come now, gold. Come now. Give us something at least, gold. Give us something nice. Give us something good. Give us something delicioso. You see what I'm saying, guys? Gold rejected perfectly off of this area. It rejected perfectly off this area. But we were just very unfortunate that we couldn't catch it because we took a loss earlier. It rejected perfectly, exactly how I said it was going to do. Closed up at $280. Amazing, bro. Quick little in and out scalp. Well done to you, Castro. Do you trade Trinidad? I don't, bro. I trade support and resistance, bro. I do trade a bit of the breakouts. Like if, for example, it breaks the candle high, which I think is a chain of character and that kind of stuff. But yeah, 2026 so far had a horrible start to forex and crypto. It's just, bro, that's what I'm saying, bro. Like, trading in general, bro, has had an absolutely crazy move, bro. Damn, gold is spiking like mad right now. What's going on? Gold is spiking like crazy, bro. What the heck? We were just all the way up here right now. Now we just shot all the way down. What's going on, gold? What's actually going on? This is crazy move by gold. What the sherbet? What the heck's going on, gold? Look at this. Gold is spiking, guys. Gold is spiking like mad. So please be careful if you are in any trades. Gold is spiking like crazy, guys. This is a madness. Wait. This is actually crazy right now. Gold is spiking like crazy, guys. Just be careful if you're in any trades, guys. Please be careful if you're in any trades. It's not looking like it's going good. See, this is exactly why we never took a trade. Because of these market conditions. These market conditions are absolutely insane. It makes zero sense. Literally 0 cents, guys. It's making absolutely 0 cents. Gold just spiked up. Now it's spiked down. Now it's spiking back up, bro. This makes no sense at all. That's why we never took a trade, literally. Because of these market conditions. You don't want to be in a market where it's doing this kind of weird things. Like, we've never seen this, bro. What has happened? I have no idea. I have no idea at all, bro. There's no news, there's nothing, and gold is just spiking like this. That makes no sense, bro. That makes no sense at all. It's crazy. I don't trust gold this week. Same, bro. I don't trust gold at all this week. Gold is moving reckless this week, bro. Absolutely reckless. That's insane, guys. That's insane. See, that's why we said rather we be safe and just not trade, guys, because wow. You see, this is what I'm talking about. Trading is weird. Taken 1 hour, bro. It's crazy, bro. Literally. This is history in the making with gold, bro. Not even, bro. This is just gold is being silly. This gold is being crazy, bro. I've never actually seen gold spike this much. Look at this. Gold is just going crazy right now. It's just spiking like insane. What the heck? But yeah, lucky we never took any trades, guys. Lucky we took no trades. But at the same time, we learned some good lessons. Exactly. At the same time, we learned some very valuable lessons from gold. So yeah. Massive dump. Yeah, I'm seeing that, bro. I'm seeing that now. Massive dump. I don't even know for what reason, basically. But that's a madness, guys. That's a madness. That's why we decided to stay out the markets. Because wow, that was disgusting. That was disgusting, bro. One second. Boom. So you can see gold is just moving reckless right now, guys. Absolutely. This is actually scary, bro. I won't even lie to you. If you're in the markets right now, that's crazy. Bro, classic bear run and bull trap. Possibly, bro. Possibly. I mean, you may be trapped in all of the buyers over there and it just shot like that. That's crazy, bro. That's actually crazy. That's a madness, Brody. That's a madness. Wow. Let me just see. Yeah, you see, let's just stay out of the markets, guys. Honestly, just stay out of the markets. Let's not trade anymore for the day. These conditions in the markets are not good. It's spiking up, it's spiking down for no reason, basically. Rather we be safe and we not trade, guys. Literally, it's so much better just to be safe than to be sorry, guys. But yeah, even with that being said, guys, I think I'm gonna end off the stream right here because I have to go and see my father right now with the accident and see if he's okay. And also there's no trade that happening right now on the charts, which obviously means that we can't trade. And I also don't want to trade. I want to rather just leave it for the week, come back next week when my mind is fresh, and we come back even better, guys. Brandon Hall says, much love, Safwaan. I appreciate everything you do for this community. We took losses, but I have not given up thanks to you and the Comit team. Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. I appreciate you. Brandon John Hall. Alright, guys, but yeah, with that being said, thank you guys so much for joining the stream, of course. We are only 2 likes away from 100 likes. If we can get up to 100 likes right now, that would be beautiful, guys. 2 more likes for 100 likes, guys. Mr. Blue 796, Juma Mubarak to you, bro. Juma Mubarak to you, my brody. Killed it, Sniper. Yes, guys. We will be back again on Monday morning. Monday morning, we will be back and we will be live again. Or even, I think, this afternoon. We might be live this afternoon. We're either going to be live this afternoon or we'll be live on Monday morning, guys. Just look at my socials or just come and check here at 4 o'clock today if we're live or not. But yeah, with that being said, I'll see you guys either at 4 o'clock today or at 10 o'clock on Monday morning, guys. Peace out. Much love. See